Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal thicker. To achieve a satisfyingly thick bowl, begin by selecting the correct oat variety. The ratio of liquid to oats is paramount, so pay close attention to your measurements. Furthermore, the cooking method you choose will dramatically influence the final consistency of your oatmeal. Let's dive into the specifics to get that perfect texture. Different oat types produce varying textures. Steel-cut oats, for instance, are known for their hearty, chewy, and thick outcome. Rolled oats, on the other hand, create a wonderfully creamy and substantial bowl. For a generally thick result, aim for a 1:2 ratio of oats to liquid. This means 1 cup of oats to 2 cups of water or milk. Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Quick recommendation: are you tired of soggy lunches? Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your oatmeal fresh and ready to go. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. The way you cook your oats is key to thickness. Simmering them gently over low heat for an extended period allows them to absorb more liquid and swell. Frequent stirring during cooking helps to release starches, contributing to a thicker consistency. Alternatively, soaking your oats overnight can significantly reduce cooking time while still achieving a desirable thickness. Beyond basic preparation, certain add-ins can boost your oatmeal's thickness. Chia seeds or ground flaxseed are excellent for absorbing excess liquid, creating a gel-like texture. Adding mashed banana or pumpkin puree not only enhances flavor, but also provides extra body. Even a scoop of protein powder can help achieve a denser, more satisfying bowl of oatmeal.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.